Hello friends, this is Team WS channel, and in this quick tutorial we will fix USB or OTG connect, disconnect or not connecting problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix USB or OTG not connecting problem or connecting or disconnecting again and again problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, first of all, you just need to open settings and just watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.